Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the top 5 most dangerous jobs in construction. We're talking about the men and women who work hard every day, building our world, often at great risk to their own safety. We're going to look at the hazards they face, the safety measures that can help protect them, and the importance of a strong safety culture on every job site. So buckle up, grab your hard hat, and let's get dirty. Roofing. Just saying it out loud conjures up images of steep pitches and dizzying heights. It's dangerous work, no doubt about it. One slip, one loose shingle, and gravity takes over. Falls are the #1 killer in construction, and roofers are constantly at risk. That's why fall protection is crucial. Harnesses, safety lines, guardrails. These aren't suggestions, folks, they're lifesavers. But it's not just the falls. Roofers work in all kinds of weather. Scorching heat, icy conditions, high winds. Mother Nature doesn't cut these guys any slack. Staying hydrated, wearing appropriate clothing, and knowing when to pause for safety are critical. And let's not forget about the physical toll. Hauling bundles of shingles, lifting heavy materials, it's back-breaking work. Proper lifting techniques and teamwork can prevent serious injuries. Bottom line, roofing is a tough job that deserves our respect. Those guys and gals on the roof, they're not just building a structure, they're building our communities. Let's make sure they can do it safely. Construction laborers are the unsung heroes of every building project. They're the foundation, literally, doing the heavy lifting, the digging, the moving, the prepping. And they face a whole laundry list of dangers on any given day. Think about it. Heavy machinery swinging around, materials falling from above, trenches collapsing, and don't even get me started on the dust and debris they breathe in. Wearing the right PPE is non-negotiable. Hard hats, safety glasses, steel-toe boots, gloves, and respirators are their best friends. And when it comes to trenches, proper shoring is the difference between life and death. These trenches can become graves in an instant if they're not properly secured. Safety training is paramount for these guys and gals. They need to know how to identify hazards, how to operate machinery safely, and what to do in an emergency. Iron workers. These are the daredevils of the construction world, working hundreds of feet in the air, connecting the skeleton of our skyscrapers, bridges, and stadiums. They're fearless, but they can't afford to be careless. Falls are a constant threat. One misstep, one loose bolt, and it's a long way down. That's why they rely on harnesses, lanyards, and safety nets. Their lives depend on it. But it's not just the height. Iron workers are at risk of being struck by falling objects, heavy tools, or even swinging beams. Hard hats are mandatory, and keeping a watchful eye on their surroundings is crucial. Then there's the physical strain. Musculoskeletal injuries are common, from hauling heavy steel to working in awkward positions. Proper rigging techniques, using cranes and hoists whenever possible, and taking breaks to stretch and move around can make a world of difference. Crane operators. They have the best view in the city, but their job is no walk in the park. They're responsible for lifting and moving massive loads with precision and care, and the consequences of a mistake can be catastrophic. One wrong move, one miscalculation, and you're talking about a tipped crane, dropped loads, or even worse, a collapse. That's why training and certification are essential for these folks. They need to know their cranes inside and out, understand load limits, and be able to handle any situation that arises. Electrocution is another serious hazard. Cranes and power lines are a dangerous combination. Operators need to maintain a safe distance, use spotters, and know the procedures for working near energized lines. And let's not forget about maintenance. Cranes need to be inspected regularly to make sure they're in tip-top shape. A well-maintained crane is a safe crane. Concrete workers. They're the backbone of construction, pouring the foundations, sidewalks, and structures that shape our world. It's tough, physically demanding work, and it comes with its own set of risks. First off, let's talk about chemical exposure. Concrete contains caustic materials that can burn skin and lungs. That's why PPE is crucial. Gloves, respirators, and protective clothing are a must-have. Then there's the heavy lifting. Pouring and finishing concrete is back-breaking labor. Using proper ergonomic techniques, mechanical assistance, and teamwork can help prevent injuries. And let's not forget about the repetitive motions. Concrete work can take a toll on joints and muscles. Taking breaks, stretching, and using vibration dampening tools can help reduce the risk of long-term problems. So there you have it. The top 5 most dangerous jobs in construction. These are just a few of the many risks that construction workers face every day. But it's important to remember that these dangers can be mitigated with the right safety measures, training, and a commitment to protecting workers' well-being. Thanks for watching. Remember, safety is key in construction. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational videos. Stay safe out there.